There comes a moment in life when you look around and realize something isn't right anymore. You're not the person you used to be, and you're definitely not the person you want to become. Maybe life broke you a little. Maybe circumstances forced you to change directions. Or maybe you simply woke up one day and felt lost. But here's the truth. You can rebuild your life in 30 days. Yes, 30 days are enough to change direction, rebuild identity, and restart your journey. This video is not motivation. This is a plan, a story, a journey you're about to walk through day by day. So take a deep breath and imagine that today is day one of your new life. Let's begin. Day one. Accept where you are. Your new life begins the moment you stop pretending everything is okay. Sit with yourself and say, I'm not okay right now, and that's fine, but I'm not staying here. Acceptance is not weakness. It's the foundation of change. Day two. Clean your environment. Your room, your desk, your phone. Everything around you is part of your identity. You can't feel new while living inside an old version of yourself. Clean, organize. Remove what reminds you of the person you don't want to be anymore. Day three. Reset your mind. Your thoughts created the life you're living. So if you want a new life, you need new thoughts. Start journaling, not fancy journaling. Just one question. What am I feeling today and why? Day four. Remove one bad habit. Don't try to change your whole life at once. Just remove one bad habit. Scrolling too much, sleeping late, complaining. Pick one, remove it. That's enough for day four. Day five. Build one small habit. Replace what you removed with something positive. 10 push-ups, 10 pages, 10 minutes of meditation. Small habits, big results. Day six. Fix your sleep. You can't rebuild your life while your brain is exhausted. Your mind needs rest, clarity, energy, and stability. Sleep early. Wake up early. Control your mornings. Control your life. Day seven. Digital detox. Turn off notifications. Remove apps that drain your mind. Distance yourself from distraction. For one day, disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. Day eight. Forgive yourself. Before your new life begins, you need to release guilt from the past. Say it out loud. I forgive myself. I did what I could with what I knew, and now I'll do better. Day nine. Write your goals. Not goals for next year. Goals for the next 30 days. One thing to start. One thing to stop. One thing to improve. That's enough. Day 10. Create a morning routine. Simple routine. Water, sunlight, movement. Plan your day. Not perfect, consistent. Day 11. Start learning. Pick one skill that will upgrade your future. English, coding, marketing, design, communication. Growth is not optional. Growth is survival. Day 12. Exercise. because this is just the beginning.